Hey there mga Marts! Today magpahinga naman tayo sa mga makeup and mag-unbox tayo ngayon. So I only have a few things to unbox and I wanted to share with you. Okay, so I'm going to start with these 3 pouches that I bought in Shopee. Okay, and I have a big box here beside me. So I'm just going to unbox it last. So we'll start with these 3 little pouches. Okay, so I'm going to start with the smallest one. Okay. Okay, so hindi ko na siya ginugupit na diretso para hindi makalat, you know. Okay. So hindi ko na kailangan. I bought earrings for my friends. 3 lang yung bibigyan ko kasi yung 3 na solid members is nandito sa Philippines. 2 taga-US, 1 Hong Kong. So, mas mahal pa yung shipping. So, this is for my friends. If you have watched my vlogs, okay, nakita nyo na sinusuot ko to. And I got many praises. Okay, on to my next pouch. Okay, dito na lang sa taas. Baka mamay magupit ko yung nasa loob. Alright. Okay, so alright, this one is a cell phone case. Alright. Okay, so hindi akin to, order lang ng aking hubby, but I'm going to show it to you. O, diba ang ganda? Alam nyo mga Mards, nag-o-order ako ng mga cellphone cases sa Shopee because it's way more cheaper, sa totoo lang. Kasi I've been to SM last week and nagtingin kami doon. So, ang mahal, sobra. It's in times 2 yung price. So, this one, it is 157 ang isa. So, yung ganitong klase mga Mards, sa mga mall, it's 300 to 400. Diba ang tipid? So, ito yung huli na pouch na maliit. And I think it's also a phone case. Ito mga Mards is only 69 pesos ang isa. Alright, so nakita ko doon sa SM, ang price nito nasa 400. Ang mahal, grabe, promise. I bought this for 69 pesos each. So, kumuha na ako ng 2 colors, isang black at isang blue. Alright, so I'm going to show you both the color. Ayan, oh, diba ang ganda? Tanggalin natin yan. Ayan. So, this one is the blue one. So, sa sides niya, neon yung neon. Para siguro kita, no? And then, I also have the color black. Right, so, yan. So, yung side is red para makita. And ito medyo, ano siya, nakaangat siya. So, that when you put your phone here, the camera will be protected. I'm going to show it to you side by side. Ayan. Ay, manig. Ayan. Alright, so diba, ang ganda. Ayan, walang mga fingerprints. So much siya. Down to our last unboxing. Mga Mards, I have been longing to have one like this. It's already, I think it was a year ago. And now, it was given to me as a gift also to my daughter. We really need this for our skincare because it's too hot here now. And all of the things you touch, especially in the afternoon, is really warm. Alright, let's proceed now with our last unboxing.
There's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
O diba mga Marts, I'm really happy that I already have my own cosmetic fridge. I'm really satisfied that it keeps my skincare cool. So hindi na siya mainit kapag nilalagay mo sa face. This has been Ryce DG. I will see you again on my next one. Bye! So, pahinga muna tayo sa mga makeup kasi medyo nag-dry na yung aking lips sa mga